In this video, we will show you how to convert photo into sketch using Windows and Android smartphone. In here, there are many ways to convert your photo into sketch. First, we can using free software like Inkscape if you're using Windows. The Inkscape is free, so you don't need to buy the software to get or to turn your photo into sketch. After you open the software, you can just click open in here and open your file. For example, I have this photo and click open. After that, we can make this photo into sketch by clicking these pictures and select path. And in here, you can select trace bitmap. You can click OK in here. Now you can close the box. This is the first method. You can see there the result of the trace bitmap in the Inkscape software. The number second, you can using the online media by using pencilsketch.imageonline.co. With this URL, you can also turn your photo into sketch with very easy step. You can upload image by clicking this button and select your image or photo. Click open. Let it the upload until 100%. After that, you can click pencil sketch button here. Let's just wait. After 100% uploaded by the pencilsketch.imageonline.co, you can just click pencil sketch here. This is the preview, and you cannot upload the image more than 17 megabytes, so you need to decrease the size of your photo if your photo is larger than that. And the number 3, if you're using Android, I will show you we can also turn our photo into sketch with easy step. This is my Android. I will open my phone. Okay, after that you can go to Play Store, just click this, and you can install Comics and Cartoon Maker. This application is by GameBrain, so you need to make sure the developer is same with this. After you install this Comics and Cartoon Maker, you can just click open in here. And you can using your camera, multi or gallery. Let's select gallery for this tutorial. I will use these woman pictures. Just click this woman picture. In here, to convert into the sketch, you can just sliding this menu. Okay, you can see there, and in the last there is have the sketch button. If you click the sketch, you can see there the result is something look like this. You can also have another option for the sketch. Maybe you interest in another like this. Okay, you can try one by one. This is the claim, and this is the pop art. You can see there. Okay, it's you can select like you want. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to convert photo into sketch using 3 ways on Windows, also in Android smartphone. Hope this video helpful for you.